I am doing this public service announcement installation of a leveling kit on a 2004 Toyota Tundra because I really struggled with other videos on YouTube. First of all, make sure you're safe. Get your jack stands there. Also, you need to extend your suspension as much as possible. So this was my jacking point right there. Once I got it lifted up, the 3 bolts on top do not touch the shock bolt because that changes the orientation of this when you have to put it back together. I bought the leveling kit that the bolts you screw down through it. Some leveling kits go up through and tighten the nuts that way. That would probably be easier. The one key to doing this is make sure you extend your suspension. It took me 6 hours to do one side because I watched several YouTube videos, and the key was right here. Release that crown nut for the tie rod and drop it down. Also, right there, your sway bar. Loosen that so you can drop it. Once you release the tie rod, you can push down on the brakes and manipulate the bottom of the shock back into place. I wish I would have known. The first side took us 6 hours because we struggled with different techniques of what people had told us to do. And finally, after we figured it out with the ball joint and the sway bar, the other side took 40 minutes. So anyway, good luck with your lift, your leveling kit. This is my granddaughter's truck. No, the '66 Mustang Fastback is not for sale. Have a great day. Bye.